Hello, in this video I will show you all display and brightness settings on POCO F7. So I am in the display settings right now, and from here on the top you are able to change between light mode and dark mode. As you can see, I am enabling dark mode right now. So also you can change the dark mode options for like switch to dark mode automatically. Your device will switch to dark mode around the scheduled time when you turn off the screen. And also you can enable dark mode for the individual apps. Also, we are able to find brightness level, adjust brightness level over here by using this switcher. Also set automatic brightness. As you can see, it depends what light it's detected, what light is detected. So this is how automatic brightness works. And also sunlight mode over here. In the screen section, we are able to find advanced textures, adds rendering effects like blurring across the system to provide an enhanced visual experience. Also, this is the color scheme section, and you are able to just change the colors from here. So go back, and also we can find here reading mode. You can turn it on by using the switcher, and as you can see, everything looks more yellow, so it can help you with the with reading in reading. Also, you can schedule reading mode over here. Now go to refresh rate, and I highly recommend you to change the refresh rate from 60 Hz to 120 Hz. Everything looks smoother and faster when you have set this on the 120 Hz. And also you can find here AI image engine, so you can turn it on from here, and this is the process videos using HDR effects to bring out more detail in the lighter and darker areas. As you can see, here is how it looks like on the image. So also you are able to change the font section. You are going to themes up, and you can select you can get fonts from here and select them. And also in the font settings you are able to adjust size of the fonts, and also change from the default to Mi Sans from here, and also to on with the and also change to others from themes apps, themes app. Sorry for that. So yeah, basically this is all of the display section. So yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching, and subscribe this channel.